such a nostalgic moment when we think about it, when we grow up about school. It's a very nostalgic feeling, and it's a very emotional thing when we grow up and think about that I was a student. So the students of St. Genius Model School are representing their school heritage, culture, and all these things with this beautiful performance. Education is very important, very important in life, obviously. Like all these educational things, co-curricular activities are also very important. We know music, dance, drawing, all these performance, recitation, these all are very important in our life. St. Genius Model School provides such co-curricular activities with all educational things. We have faith on the students, we have belief on the students, and we are very proud to have such talents with us. So let's proceed with next dance. A child get the sound of the living bell from the school. He or she can feel such freedom. Freedom is such an excellent feeling, is an excellent thing. Child grows up day by day, and one day a child can make proud the school and all around the people of the school, all of us. So this freedom is very important in life. Now our students will perform in the dance on the song Bajlo Chutir Ghanta with this beautiful performance. Our children, our students will show this heritage, culture, and everything. So we will call upon the stage the students who are performing in the dance Bajlo Chutir Ghanta.